Imagine churning out unlimited jaw-dropping images, book covers, social posts, merch designs, and paying only once? That's what Artistly AI claims, but is it really the next king over Midjourney and Leonardo? Let's dive in. Last week, a friend shot me a link to Artistly AI. Try it. This might beat your Midjourney addiction. First thought, too good to be true. A lifetime deal, all features unlocked, no more monthly surprises. But as soon as I logged in, Artistly went way beyond prompts to picture. This AI lets you drop a keyword, tweak styles, colors, even backgrounds, and spits out multiple high-res images to choose from. Creating for YouTube, generate scroll-stopping thumbnails, doing merch, mock up flawless t-shirts on models, all in one click. Here's where it gets wild. Use consistent character to star the same character across a full comic or storybook, a huge edge for brands and storytellers. Spin your own face or clients' faces into fantasy scenes, an exclusive elite perk. Instantly edit clothing, backgrounds, even add accessories. No Photoshop degree required. It's also got batch clip art, instant logo design, a KDP paperback creator that auto-formats manuscripts, and tools for seamless pattern and background swaps. All unlimited, all at pro print quality. But is it better than Midjourney or Leonardo? Midjourney has deeper art control. Leonardo emphasizes realism. But for pure output volume, commercial rights, and creative extras, Artistly's single price is a game changer. So, is Artistly AI unbeatable for creators on a budget, or just hype? Drop your take below, and in my next video, I'll pit it head-to-head live. Don't miss it.